and lovely guys, welcome back again with Chef Ricardo cooking show. Well, I got some chicken which I marinated a few days ago, and I decided to put them in the oven. So basically, this is the chicken right here, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna bake them up in the oven. As you can see, they're marinating and looking really lovely and nice. So I will put the link below how to marinate this chicken. Look at that, beautiful and really nice. So we're gonna put this in the oven for half an hour, and this is looking really lovely and nice. So guys, enjoy the recipe and please leave your comments. As you can see, nice lovely chicken. I marinated this chicken a few days ago and I have some left back, and I said I must show the fans how to bake up this chicken. So this is the chicken, and I'm gonna put it straight in the oven now for half an hour. Thank you so much guys. Nice and lovely. Just take it from the oven guys, as you can see, still even frying. Look at that, really nice and beautiful. So what I'm gonna do, I got it in the oven half an hour now. Just take it out. I'm gonna just plate it up a little bit with some rice and some coleslaw, make you guys can see exactly where we're standing right here in the kitchen at the moment guys. Yes, holiday day today, so you know, we have to enjoy the day, enjoy the whole time, you know what I mean, from Christmas go right now till New Year's. So I have to enjoy it, and I just put some baked chicken in the oven and I just take them out beautiful. So I'm gonna share it up guys and make you see exactly where we are here. Nice and lovely. I just share it up guys, looking so lovely and nice and yummy. So this is what we're talking about, chicken and rice with some coleslaw. And guys, hopefully we'll just enjoy this. Coming up to the new year, you need something like this for the new year, you know what I mean? So when you're off from work, this is what you can do. So guys, thank you so much for watching the cooking show. We've got a lot more recipes, single recipe tips and idea coming out for the new year. So hopefully you will enjoy the recipe. Enjoy it and see you next time. Bye bye.